best Chinese sushi place in town is what they call Blossoms, a restaurant in the Westin Hotel. It's a dark but cozy venue with a great Chinese ambience. The saltwater aquarium and private dining areas are nice accents, and the girls are dressed in traditional Chinese dresses. Needless to say, there's a large variety in their extensive Asian menu. The service was outstanding, and the Benihana-ish chefs look like martial art fighters, but they really know what they're doing. They make sure you get your meat really medium, and do so when you tell them to go slow on the garlic. The sushis look yummy, but they weren't all succulent and juicy. General Tso's is actually made with white meat, and the taste is gorgeous. So is the fish and ginger and scallions. Now, I'm not really content with the duck pancakes. In my opinion, they're a little dry. However, the duck was nice and crispy, and the hoisin sauce went very well with it. Desserts are not my favorite dishes in a Chinese restaurant, so I will stick with the lychees. Altogether, Blossoms is definitely worth a recommendation and deserves a 9. Peggy Tjin, Foodcritix, Aruba. Make sure you check out my website, peggytjin.com, for some killer recipes.